In today's video, we are going to show you how to book an Uber for someone else. Whether you're arranging a ride for a friend, family member, or colleague, we'll guide you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, open the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in into your account. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. On the home screen, enter the pickup location for the person you're looking the ride for. You can either type in the address or use your current location if you're nearby. Next, enter the destination where you want the rider to go. This will help Uber calculate the fare and find the best route for the ride. After entering the pickup and destination details, choose the type of the ride you want. You can select from options like UberX, UberXL, or Comfort depending on your needs. Here's the key step. To book the ride for someone else, tap on the Add a Ride for Someone Else option. This is usually found under or near the ride options. It allows you to enter the details for the person who will actually be taking the ride. You'll need to enter the phone number of the person who will be riding. This is important as Uber will send them a text with the ride details and they can contact the driver if needed. Review all the details you've entered to make sure everything is correct. Confirm the pickup location, destination, and ride type. Once you ensure everything looks good, tap on Confirm or Request to book the ride. You'll receive a confirmation screen showing the ride details, including the driver's name and the estimated time of arrival. And that's it. You've successfully booked an Uber for someone else.